Hello everyone and welcome back my YouTube channel. How are you friends? I hope you are doing well. So dear friends, today I am back with a very beautiful and very useful collection of kitchen. In this video, you will see the very wonderful kitchen decoration design. I hope that you are gonna love this collection. All the kitchen design beautiful, so stunning and classy that after watching this video, I hope that you are gonna love all the kitchen design. In this video, you are gonna love these video kitchen design ideas. These are basically for kitchen designs and this is the best collection for them. So just watch this video till the end. You will get many ideas, many designs from this video. I hope that you are gonna love these kitchen designs collection just like you love the other collection on my channel. Precious collection, your positive feedback tells me that you're loving my video and my video are useful and helpful for you. So just watch this video channel and check the other home decor ideas on my channel. You can see different type home decor ideas on my channel. These kitchen ideas very beautiful and very useful and you love all these ideas in this video. I hope that you will love this classy and stunning kitchen collection. If you are loving these kitchen decoration ideas in these videos, so please do also like my video and subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed my channel yet. And if you have subscribed my channel, please do also click the bell icon. So after clicking the bell icon, you will get notification of all of my videos and you will never miss any video, any collection on my channel. And friends, I always try to bring YouTube videos and useful content for you. I wish up more collection who want to watch my channel. Do subfields are messiness repeat you tell me all this in the comment section and give to support me by sharing my video. Thanks for your appreciation on my precious videos. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. For those people who love this video, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye dear viewers, till the next video, see you soon.